Hey everyone, Creative Venus here, and look at this beautiful infographic design, a 3 steps infographic design that we will going to create today. So please subscribe to our channel, join the membership, hit the bell icon and support us. So let's start the tutorial. So we need to create a triangle here, and let's pull this triangle shape, and I am adjusting its height and width here. Remove its outline, rotate it like this, and remove its outline, duplicate it, give it a different color so that we can differentiate, and place it like this and send to back. Now apply the shadow on the orange triangle that is hidden behind this blue triangle and increase the blurriness. Now fill white color on this top triangle and you can see this amazing result here. Now insert this long rectangular bar which will be used as a list, and place it like this, send to back. Make sure to remove its outline, and now we will just beautify it. Again insert a triangle and we will fix it towards the right side of this rectangular bar here. We have rotated it. Now adjust its height, match it with the rectangle's height. Also reduce its width slightly, and now we will fill a very beautiful gradient color. Gradients are really appealing, and we will fill the gradient color from left to right and make sure it's linear, not radial. So I've slightly moved the dark gradient stop towards the right. Now it's looking really nice. Again duplicate it, reduce it by half of the triangular's height and send to back. Select this main rectangle bar, again send to back. Select this half rectangle, fill white color and increase the transparency. I think we have to fill gradient here. It is not looking that realistic, so let's fill white color on both the gradient stops here on the half rectangle. Increase the transparency on the right triangle, and on the left slightly increase the transparency. So on the right gradient stop we have kept it 100%, on the left we have kept it around 50%, 30 to 50% depending upon your choice. Now we will fill metallic color on the right triangle here, and you know how to fill metallic gradient. I have used it and I generally use it in most of my presentation designs because I love this metal finish. So I always use it as a major aesthetic tool, not a tool but aesthetic, for aesthetic purposes. So I'm just adjusting its shadow effect here. You can play with these sliders, shadow sliders, to make sure you get the best output here. Now we will insert this text box and write 0, 1. You can write A, B, C, D or whatever you want. You can write the product name. So this is a list, you have to write the heading here or point or anything. So I'm writing 1 here, and black isn't looking good here, so we will fill gradient color in this text as well. Select this text, fill gradient, and use the same gradient color as we have filled in this rectangular bar here. So now you can see it's looking really nice. Now let's place it in the middle here. So what we will do next is we have to increase the height of this right triangle here, because I just got some idea to further beautify it, and for that we have to insert a rectangular shape here, because if I'm using metal, let's use it extensively but not overdo it. So I'm using it on the borders. So I've applied this metallic effect here. I've used Format Painter to fill the metallic color into it. So I've used it at this bottom border here, and similarly we will duplicate it and use it as a top border of this gradient rectangular bar. So this will make it look more realistic. The closer you get to the realism, the better your this presentation will look. So make sure you always focus on the aesthetics, alignment, color, light, and gradients, of course. Make sure it is looking really nice. So I'm adjusting the gradient fill here, slightly moving this gradient stops here and there, and you know that how to fill a gradient color. Also applied the top shadow here. Now set it to black. Now I have duplicated it and place it at the top. Slightly increase the blurriness of the shadow. So duplicate it, place it at the top, follow the same process, apply downward shadow, and you will see that this blue gradient colored rectangular bar is wrapped in this metallic case. So that's the beauty of it. And that's why I love metallic finish in PowerPoint, because it makes it look really realistic, like you want to touch this rectangular bar. Once everything is set, we will add text to it, but before that I think these bar are, their height needs to be reduced a bit, so I have done that. Similarly, we have to adjust the height of this triangle here to match the height of these three rectangular bars, blue and two metallic. I think it's done. Let's apply the shadow to this main blue gradient bar as well. And here you can play with these sliders as per your requirements. Now let's insert some text here. So you don't have to follow what I'm trying to do here. You can write text as per your choice. You can write one complete line here, you can write only headings here, you can add percentages, anything you want, facts, stats. It's totally up to you as per the topic of the presentation or the slide. I'm putting heading here, then some dummy text towards the right. Let's reduce the font size here. So I'm placing it here. I think we should keep it towards the right. Yes, that will look good. Now duplicate it again. Let's add subheading. Before that, write some number here. So today I'm using the Monster Art font. It's a free Google font. You can download it from Google Fonts, and it's really a beautiful text font. Meanwhile, what you can do is you can subscribe to our channel, you can hit the like button, press the bell icon, and join the membership. This will motivate us, support us. So thanks in advance for that. If you'll do, I'll really appreciate it. So moving further, I'm still filling some text here. So I've reduced the subheading size so that heading gets the, user attention. Once everything is done, let's add some icons here. Icons, really help in enhancing the beauty of the presentation, and aesthetically these look really nice. So if you can manage to add icons here, so that would be great. In any slide, icons, fill every slide with icons. Use them in, use them to support the text. So that's the purpose of any icon. So currently we are here representing dollars here, and I will add one icon on this right triangle here. So yeah, many of you ask like, how can one get this icons tab in the PowerPoint? So I've got this Office 365 subscription, and it's an yearly license, and for that I have to pay some fees, and I get all the latest updates and latest Office. So currently if it's 2019, then I'll get the 2019 Office as a part of Office 365. So my Office always stay updated, so that's why. So icons come with Office 365 subscription. If you don't have a subscription, if you have the retail version, I don't think it comes with the retail version of Office 2016 or 19, but yes, it comes with Office 365 subscription. But there are many online websites from where you can download free icons. You should create a repository of icons if you are into presentation designing, and trust me, if you don't know how to beautify any presentation, if you even use icons, that will also help you achieve your goals, your presentation goals. So I'll pick this icon, so let's put it here. Apply dark gray color, because if I'll use black, it will not look good. So on the metal surface, if you use gray color, it looks really nice. Now I will change the gradient color. Let's use the purple combination here, purple and red, purple orange. Yeah, so it is looking really nice. We can create one more row item, but before that let's change this color. Yeah, so it's looking really nice. So you can create n number of such list items here. uh, I I don't think more than 3 will come on one slide, so you need to fit, but I mean you can fit up to 4 here if you reduce the size, but you shouldn't add more than 4, so that will look more cluttered. So keep it simple. So I mean searching for a nice icon here, so let's use this icon here. So now we have to change the color of this background rectangle and the text. Let's use this color as a dark color, or we should go with the greens. Let's go with green here. Let's fit this dark green color here and slightly bluish green color here. It's very vibrant. I think we should tone it down. So let's use a blue color here. So this will look much better. Yes. Now it has more visibility. So we will fill the same gradient color in the text as well. So now group all these items just for the alignment purpose. Once aligned, align center, align middle, and distribute these items vertically. Now let's ungroup it. Now we will add the title of the slide, and you know how to add title. Insert a text box and write a beautiful text here, whatever you want, like business objectives, list of items, key highlights, high level tasks. Even you can use this slide for agenda. So I'm writing business infographics here, and I will apply gradient text here. I know you will not use gradient text color if you are designing a corporate presentation. I know some corporates don't allow uh, these kind of cosmetic styling, so they have their set patterns, set colors, but I find them boring because those presentations do not catch that user attention. Of course their focus is to highlight text only, but reading text on a white background over and over makes it boring. Some aesthetics, some shapes, some containers, and some text formatting will help users to you know to consume the information in a much better way. In fact, our brains are wired to appreciate the beauty. So now let's add subheading here. So I'm writing creative winners business presentations, or you can write PowerPoint presentations. So I'm again filling here gradient color. The font I am using is Montserrat. It's a free Google font. And I'm using blue purple gradient color in the text at the top, the heading and subheading. So the design is complete. Here's the final design. Let's have a look. Yes, I've also applied some animation here that will change its color automatically. Please have a look. The colors are changing automatically. So I haven't covered the animation part in this video. Because it's just a couple of clicks process. And so I mean, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and join the membership. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Share this video with maximum number of users if you can. You can share it within your circle, your friends, and you can also join the membership. So you guys have been such a great audience. Bye bye. Peace. God bless. And wait for my next video. Also, if you will check the community tab, we got our silver play button. So like that post as well. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.